Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to any available address, the host may be offline or behind a strict firewall, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is the easier one. You're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write your date and time, and then you're going to go ahead and set your date and time in sync with the internet. So if your date and time is not synced with the internet, your computer has a problem connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone here. After that, click set time automatically and then click sync now. Once it's done, close this up, open up your web browser, and then search for Radmin VPN here. Download this Radmin VPN on your computer, and once it's done downloading, open it up. And once you're done opening it up, now you're going to connect to any server in that Radmin VPN. And once you're done connecting to any server, now you're going to ask your friends to download that VPN. Then they're going to join your server. And once they are done joining your server, then you can go ahead and create a Hytale server. And then they will be able to join your Hytale server once they're in your VPN server. So once they're in your VPN, they can now join your Hytale server. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying error on Hytale. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.